Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP DeskJet 2331 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC. Click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. After that, scroll down. And here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also very easy. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP DeskJet 2331 printer driver download or the printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Here we find the official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name. After that, here we find the operating system. If its operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Here select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. After that, click on the update. Close it. After that, this page goes to refresh automatically. Scroll down. And here we find installation software. Don't go to the here. Go to the here. Here we find installation software and full basic driver support print and scan functionality only. Expand it. Expand it. Here we find our drivers. HP DeskJet 2300. It is a series printer. In this series printer, HP DeskJet 2331 printer drivers are also included. So click on this download, click on the download. It's redirect you to another page and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete on our PC or laptop properly. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is completed. Go to downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to unzip this setup file. Basically, this setup file is a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now here we find extraction process is started, unzip process is started, and it's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds and properly unzip this file on your PC or laptop. It is unzip the folder now. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on this folder. And here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In the printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new options are pop up on our screen. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select the last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Most IMP part of this installation, click at here, and if you find any port name .4_001 HP port, HP printer device or HP, then select that HP port. If you not find any HP port, then last option is USB. Select any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB port, click on the next. Here we find Have Disk. Click on Have Disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder. Double click on this newly extracted folder. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contain same drivers. Select any file and click on open. Click on OK. Click on OK. Here we find two options. Select any option. I select first PCL3. Select any. It is a series HP DG means DeskJet 2300 series. It is a series printer. In this series printer, our HP DeskJet 2331 is also included. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give HP DeskJet. DG means DeskJet 2331, and after that click on the next. Give any name and click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. It's installed our printer in less than a few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, if you find your printer name HP DeskJet DG, DeskJet means DG 2331, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.